July 20th, episode 5, I believe. But I am heading solo to the Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. We have a Falcon 9 launch today. It's another batch of satellites, and we've actually got credentials to get on site. And we got just over 2 hours until launch time, so let's get it. Police came up with their lights on, and everyone is staring at me right now. So this is, you know, moderately awkward. Yeah, I just ramped through that thing in front of everybody. So, see you out there, Elon Musk. I'm gonna run out of gas. I'm definitely gonna run out of gas. This is really bad. I'm gonna be the first guy to run out of gas as media out at a rocket pad. I have to explain myself with this stupid mask on. Z-Cam E2 with the 500mm, got the Polar Pro matte box, 4K 120. This is the heat banger right here. So what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna look up Spaceflight Now, which is an epic source for rocket updates. So 3 minutes ago for a liftoff schedule of 5:30. Look at that. Did I nail it or what?
They lit the candle.
They lit the candle. Wrap 3 a.m. Are you kidding me?
Bro,
dude,
mental
life changed.
Day, insane.
Life changed.
Super speechless.
Changed. This face is different than when it went out there. Look at these faces. They've changed. No, that was one of the best things that we've ever done, for sure. And nothing like a midnight call time. No worries, man. I appreciate you guys being cool, man. Thanks,
absolutely. You guys stay safe.
We will.
Get some waves.
Absolutely,
watch
bro. All right, we just got done with a pretty legendary meeting with Tapas and Tacos and El Secreto. It's going to be a pretty legendary little spot, Coco Village. Look at this, guys. This is an actual vault from an old bank in the 20s. Why not turn it into a taco restaurant?
$12,000 worth of tequila in here.
Oh, yeah, man. Oh, dude, is that for me, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Appreciate it, dude.
Yeah, man.
That's
sick. Little agave logo.
Yeah, I love it, dude. The branding's killer, man. I really dig it.
This is what made me sign on to the project. This bar here.
Up here.
If you notice, so we're like Spanish Mexican cuisine together. Check this out.
Wow, this is sick. Okay, like I like it.
El Secreto logo, you see it?
Yeah,
On
bro.
your hat? So
Oh
that
yeah,
S
dude.
is that same, I swear.
I didn't even realize the face in it. That's
you didn't?
sick.
So the tattoo artist literally next door to us. He's in the building right next door. He designed these murals. So the idea behind this is we're calling it the agave room. It was used previously as kind of like fine dining. I had this wallpaper designed. It's a whole landscape of an agave field. There's so much potential for this room.
And now Madison and I are heading to see what Stumpy's axe throwing is all about. Stumpy's. Me and Maddie are gonna have a full-blown competition at Stumpy's, and I'm going for the W. This place is massive. Hey Maddie. Kiss my axe.
I love this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's 8.
There's 7 back here, 1 in the front.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yes! Excuse me. We just came home to the most beautiful package in the world. Look at this thing. We love you. You are so amazing. Thank you so much. That means the world to us. Thank you.